Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can have a blank name on TikTok. So first up, open your browser and then here on your Google Chrome, go to the search box and type here blank character. Once done, tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the first link here, which is the Braille pattern blank Unicode character. Now in this page, as you can see the Unicode character, then you just have to tap and hold this white square, and then copy this one, and then go to your TikTok application. From here, once you open your TikTok, tap on your profile button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now here on your profile page, tap on the edit profile button, and then go to your name, delete the current name, and then paste the current blank character. And once done, tap on save at the top right hand corner and then tap on confirm. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.